What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to disable the Instagram profile picture zoom. If you don't want people to zoom in on your Instagram profile picture, you can turn off this feature in your settings. To get started, open the Instagram app and go to your profile by tapping your profile icon in the bottom right. Once you're on your profile page, tap the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From there, select Settings and Activity. Next, scroll down and tap on Who can see your content. In this section, select Account Privacy. Here, you will find an option called Allow Profile Picture Expansion. This is what lets people zoom in on your profile picture. Simply toggle this off, and once you do, no one will be able to zoom in on your profile picture anymore. However, keep in mind that this feature is not available to all users yet. Instagram has rolled it out in certain regions, so if you don't see this option, you might have to wait for Instagram to expand it to more users in the future. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.